The surprising thing here is that is it Oshomole that is contesting or is it Yamu? The University of Benin Sports Complex Ugbowo is already agog for the flag-off of the Edo State All Progressives Congress APC campaign for the September 19 governorship election. It is no longer news to that the end of flagging off of the Edo State APC's gubernatorial candidate Pastor Sageze Yamu is today, Saturday 8 August 2020. At the moment, the atmosphere at the complex is like carnival, with dancers and drummers entertaining the tumultuous crowd at the venue. Many dignitaries at the campaign ground, including well-wishers and loyalists of party's governorship candidates, are seated already. Representatives of President Muhammadu Buhari and other dignitaries are still being expected of the campaign to officially commence. However, because the delegates of Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello led Onoja and already at campaign ground. I think the most important thing is that they've already had their campaign and we didn't hear there was any rancor or drama or fight here and there or gunshots. I think the other party, they were able to coordinate themselves very well, and we wish them good luck. I think most of the time it is not even all about crowd, because recently the INEC you just apologize to the Edo people for those who turned 18 that could not be registered or have their voters card because of logistics, because of what did they say, because of COVID-19. And now when there is campaign, they don't talk about COVID-19 protocols and all of that, but for people to go maybe batch by batch to go and get registered, they will tell you COVID-19 this, COVID-19 that. But in all this crowd that we are seeing, there is nothing like a spacing, there's nothing like a social distancing, but yet people gathered without anybody saying anything, without the government, without all those who are in charge of COVID-19 directives and the police. They did not, nobody saw all this crowd, even during PDP campaign as well. Their campaign flag off too, everybody everywhere was just crowded. They are going about with all this what is it called, this their campaign. But when they see individuals or maybe a group of people coming together, they will begin to tell us about a COVID-19 protocol. Some people are flouting the order. Nobody even knows whether the order is still in place. But if they want to deal with some people quickly, they will just they will charge the person, just like the way they have just charged this Naira Marley too. But since then, a lot of people, even the so-called dignitaries, they are always jam-packed. Nobody observes social distances. Nobody cares, because it is all about politics and campaign and voting and whatever. Nobody will talk about that. But let's hear what people are saying concerning this their campaign. I wish the Pastor Locke is a nice man and with a good heart. That is why all those who conspired against him in the last election are today fighting themselves. The hand of God in the camp of his enemies. Pastor Sage Rock, victory is sure. Congratulations in advance. Everywhere you go now, Pastor Sage Yamu, someone who was called a thief in 2016, suddenly become God sent in 2020 by the same people. Why is APC and Buhari rejected in Katsina, Buhari's own state, and the people from Edo State are embracing APC? Truly speaking, I pity Nigerians, most especially the youth. They don't see beyond their nose at how much will the youth continue to sell their future anywhere the winds blow. They are there. Youth of Nigeria, you are the pillars of the great nation. Sit and take a deep thought of your own future. Stop following this set of old politicians who have nothing to offer you. Their children are all in abroad, attending a very expensive school abroad, living in air-conditioned houses. You are under the sun, sweating for another unprofitable politicians. President Buhari promised Nigerians heaven and earth. Look at how Nigeria has turned to under his leadership. Youth, without you supporting them, they cannot achieve their mission or get any elective position. Someone says, oh, very scanty crowd. Obaseki we know. Obaseki we want. Okay, did you see the picture of market women in solidarity rally for Obaseki? more than this scanty crowd. That one is not even a campaign. Like seriously, where are the law enforcement agents on social distancing? Nigeria is doomed. The laws are made for poor masses. When it comes to the matters related to the thieves who call themselves politicians and leaders, they will ignore the rules. But if it comes to the masses, even if it is ordinary birthday celebration note of not more than 10, they will remember that there is COVID-19 and there is a social distancing order. God will judge them all in due time. Exactly, just like we have said, anything that we favor them, oh, they look at the other side. But when it comes to election and all this campaign, forget, nobody remembers anything. APC, pack your load and leave. Okay, he's just wasting his time. He will not be governor even now and come 2024. Very scanty crowd. Godwin Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, and PDP continuity 4+4. Really, some people are saying that the crowd is very, very scanty. Okay. Osage is a dual party man. His administration will favor both APC and PDP. Anybody who is still believing all these politicians, the person is really joking, because there's a template that they are following. The template there is there that they are following, whether PDP or APC. Even the one that you will think that is doing something, you just see window dressing projects they embark on. We are talking about development that will shake the whole world, that will make the whole world to say, we want to go to Nigeria. Even the citizens of other countries who want to say, we want to relocate to Nigeria. Those are the things we need at this point in time. Not all this wishy-washy project or policy, all this, what do they call it, empower, all this trader money that does not have meaning. Those are not the kind of thing we are talking about. But, well, Nigerians will never know. APC in Edo State has failed woefully. Where is the COVID-19 virus among this crowd of people? This is what I call politicians' propaganda in the country, to make money for themselves. You see, I am sorry to say this. We Nigerian youths are useless and not serious upon how politicians are oppressing, using us for their selfish interests, yet we are killing ourselves for them to be there. Now, their children are not there campaigning for them. At the end of the day, they will be the ones to enjoy, while the youth will be going from one office to another to submit their CV without any response. Nigerian youth, stop following these criminals called leaders. They don't have your interests at heart. Stop wasting your time for them. Victory belongs to PDP, not Hunger Party. It's a pity if they allow Ezeyamu to have his way this time around. Edo people will learn in a hard way. So guys, let's hear your opinion concerning the APC campaign flag of today.